Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix brighter show game controllers is not working on your PC. Guys, first open up the Steam, then just click on the brighter show game. I don't have the game, but I will show you the solution that definitely fix your problem. Click on the gear icon, go to game properties. Now here you will see the option of controllers on the left hand side. Just click on this controllers option. Now here in the override, just select here the disable Steam input. Now launch the game, check problem is fixed or not. In most of the cases, this will fix your problem, but if your problem is not fixed, then just go to the properties, then just click on the controllers. Now just select here the enable Steam input. Now launch the game, check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then just choose here the use default setting. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, in most of the cases that disable Steam input works, so just try this. Guys, I hope this solution worked for you and fix your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.